2, 3, 4.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, sunrise hits the neon glow. Jamie and Ash, where the dollars go. Roll the dice, let the good times flow. Vegas valuations, here we go. Spin the reels, let the jackpot show. Mimosas in hand, we own this show. Vegas valuations, come on, let's roll.
Love it. Okay, welcome back to another Vegas Valuations vlog. It's another installment of me awkwardly yelling over the heater so you can hear me.
You're really loud.
We're off to a great start. So we were planning on maybe doing a live. You know, why not? We got time to kill on the way to the airport. But yesterday it started looking pretty dodgy road-wise. We're actually leaving for the airport. It's 10 a.m. or 10:14 local time. When's our flight?
Well, it leaves at 4:30.
Leaves at 4:30, and the airport is like an hour away. So we're going to be tremendously early, but that would be the best case scenario because they've been calling for blizzard-like conditions. There's been a storm warning issued, and I'm still quasi-nervous about there being substantial delays at the airport. My internal pessimist, I'm trying to push that down and think positive, happy thoughts that everything remains on schedule for us to get to Vegas tonight, where we are checking into a hotel we've never stayed at before.
Vdara.
That's right. We've been calling this a business trip because mission number one is to get to gold with MGM. And I'll throw it up on the screen. I don't have it off the top of my head, but we've got a lot of work to do to get to gold. This is not going to be an easy feat. So it is a business trip in the sense that we're doing all sorts of MGM-related stuff. Massage at Vdara, right?
Yeah.
Couples massage.
Yeah.
I hate massages. I really don't like them. But in order to rack up points, that's the stuff we're doing. We're going to Carbone, right?
Yep. Where else are we going?
I don't know.
What? We're doing something very special this time around, and it is very expensive.
Right. The name of the restaurant, I believe, is Sadel's in the Bellagio, but we're doing the garden table in the conservatory at Bellagio. It's one of the only 2 tables that they have. It cost $500 Canadian. One of the things that they serve is like, I think there's caviar.
Yeah, it's like a caviar tower.
Salmon, which we don't dig on. Like, we're not big seafood people, so I don't know if they allow for substitutions. Like, part of it's going to be wasted. I don't know.
Well, I think, like, honestly, if we ask them for, like, a fruit tower, how would they say no?
I don't know.
Caviar is so expensive.
Yeah, I don't know. We can ask. We're going to find out. We're going to be right away. You don't belong. You shouldn't be in here. And then you'll probably, throughout this vlog series, the hope would be that, it's not going to be all gambling. That's not what we do. We want to show you some of the experiences, some of the things we get up to, but there will be a lot of gambling because, again, we've got to get to gold. We typically go to Vegas for New Year's Eve, or at least we have the last 2 years. We're not doing that this time because we're going to Mexico with our kids. Both of our kids are now 18 years old. They want to go to a place where they can drink. So we're going to do that early January. So this is it. This is like the kick in the can to get to Vegas, to get to gold. There's not a chance we can come back and do a quick trip in New Year's Eve. I
think we need like 37,000 points.
Yeah, we need a lot of points. As again, if I haven't already, we'll throw it up on the screen. This is going to be a marathon. We're not joking around when we call it a sprint. Also, something that I'm very excited about tomorrow morning, if there's one place that could potentially dethrone Alexis when it comes to bottomless mimosas, maybe this is it. Tom's Watch Bar. I didn't realize that Tom's Watch Bar had mimosas, or bottomless mimosas. Did not know that. But Tom's Watch Bar is one of our favorite places to go. So you factor in it's already got vibes that we like. You factor in it's got the patio. You factor in it's an MGM property. The bottomless mimosas, in terms of affordability, it's a little cheaper than Alexa's, but not all the way. The one thing that keeps me going back to Alexa's is the vibes. I love the patio. I love sitting in that sunshine. Even in December, you still get sunshine. Look, this is what you don't see the sun where we live this time of the year. And if you do, it's because it's minus 30 and it's just terrible. So I'm really looking forward to seeing if Tom's can dethrone Alexa's when it comes to the bottomless mimosas. This is winter in Alberta, folks, and we're just hoping for decent weather from here to the Edmonton International Airport. Shit. We made it, but we got plenty of time to kill. But man, this smells like right attached to the airport, so we're gonna see what the flights look like. Oh boy. A lot of cancellations on the deck. We're looking at the arrivals, so I don't know. A lot of cancellations on deck, but we'll see.
Don't be a Debbie Downer.
Don't be a Debbie Downer by stating what's on the board. There's still plenty of time. Like, our flight isn't for another. What time? We don't fly out until, you said 4, right? 4:30, so it's 11:30 now.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Someone decided to go shopping before going on vacation. I think we're going to try to go to the casino now. Keep going. And then turn left after this maroon Golf. No, it's over here. Oh my God.
Okay, we're pulling up to the airport casino. And the parking lot is pretty empty. Mind you, it is like blizzard-like conditions out. It's pretty crazy.
Look at the poor bastard blowing snow as if it's making a fucking difference. Why am I out here?
Where he is. Oh. It's empty.
It's like a funeral home in here.
It's so quiet too, like you can't even hear it.
So there you go, there's the Canadian casino. We didn't show you much of it because they are less than friendly about phones and recording. I went to a casino a few years ago and I went to go take out my phone and was recording a bonus here in Edmonton. It was that one by Rexall, or not Rexall, Rogers,
yeah.
The new arena. I forget what the casino is.
Starlight? No, that's the one at West End.
Yeah. Doesn't matter. She came up, we were like one of maybe 10 people in there. And she's like, "Sir, you can't film in here." Okay. Maybe the advertising would help. But I don't know. The vibes are just off in a Canadian casino. It's so quiet. They volume cap the games. So, you know, if you're a fan of Vegas, Matt, and you got to turn up the winnability, meaning turn up the volume. You can't do that in a lot of Canadian casinos with a lot of games. The games the game that we showed, the volume was okay, but I mean, nothing like Vegas. There's just no vibes. I'm a big vibes guy. I want to feel it. And if I'm not feeling it, it just feels like I'm literally throwing money away. So we were in there for maybe half an hour.
Yeah, and like down $100.
Down $100 for forget it. It literally feels like you're looking for a garbage can and chucking money into the bin. Again, if I'm feeling it and it's got vibes and I'm enjoying my time, whether I'm winning or losing, cool. But I just I don't get that feeling in Canadian casinos, so I don't go to Canadian casinos very often. As you can see, the weather is frightful, as the old Christmas song goes.
There's so many highways closed.
Yeah, this is the epitome of a Canadian blizzard.
I think it was Sean who like put Fargo, the picture
On
of the
X,
Fargo movie.
yeah.
That is totally what it feels like right now.
Yeah, well,
it is stupido.
It's ape. It's crazy. A lot of cancellations, a lot of delays. We've yet to see anything about our flight. It seems like they're canceling the domestic flights. I'm not sure why that is. If you can't fly, you can't fly. But we've seen flights for Puerto Vallarta and Los Angeles take off, but a lot of the domestic flights have been canceled as well. So maybe the weather is just garbage there. Ashley had a pretty decent hypothesis that maybe it's because of the distance you're traveling, you can't get above the storm quick enough. I don't know. I don't know. It doesn't matter. We're going to find out. We're going to go to the airport now. Just chill. Because there's no point in not getting there. The snow is supposed to stop.
Yeah, it's supposed to slow down soon.
Which might be just in time for our takeoff. But at this rate, it'll be a miracle if there's no delays. She's upset because she's like, you can't say that. You got to be optimistic. Well, you'll see. But anyway, another update coming soon. We'll see if we actually leave wintry Alberta. And I'm seeing the weather in Vegas, and I'm just like, oh, man. That was the worst part, leaving that casino in the snow. Like, this is not what I had in mind.
And the guy's still snow blowing.
Oh, the poor bastard snow blowing. Like, literally just blowing snow in a circle because, like, it just continues to fall and hit him. What it looks like, somewhere over there's a road. Maybe you can, yeah, there's a snow plow. It's not good. All right, made it to the airport. No sign of delays or cancellations yet. 2 hours to take off, 2 hours and a half. Ashley wasn't fucking around. He wants in. We made it to the airport. What time are we supposed to board?
3:50.
Still, it's 3:21 right now.
Don't pick your nose.
I could probably have one more of these before we get on there.
No.
Yeah. But no word of delay or anything, right?
Nope.
You figure if there would be a delay, they would have let us know by now. Just about showtime. Let's see. Fingers crossed.
Another Festivus miracle.
Okay, touchdown in Las Vegas. Flight was okay. Sat in, what do you want to call it, business class?
I think so.
I mean,
Privilege?
what's that?
Privilege, maybe?
Premium. Privilege sounds like a real big thing. Premium, but it's not that. I mean, it was nice.
Premium upgrade.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, premium. You call it privilege.
Well, I know, but
It was a privilege. She's grumpy. She's always grumpy when we get off the plane. And I'm the smoker that hasn't had one yet. Anyway, next stop. What's that?
I didn't say anything.
I thought you said something. She definitely said something. Anyway, next stop, Vdara. What?
I didn't say anything.
Oh, yes, and as per... Right off the plane and on to a taxi cab. I said as per usual.
Oh, I thought you were making fun of my bag.
No. See, this is what I have to deal with as soon as we get off the plane. Pretty quiet Wednesday night. And I'm not saying the Vegas is dead thing. It just happens to be Wednesday. Sometimes that happens, but yeah. Nobody in line. here at Vdara. First time ever staying here. I don't know what to make of it. It's early, first impressions. Haven't even seen the room yet. But, you know, like, it feels a lot more like a hotel than a casino because it doesn't have a casino, right? It doesn't feel like a Las Vegas resort. That's the first impression. This is it, you're seeing it. 4001. Just trying to figure it out.
Well, I just wanted to open stuff before you had it all.
Well, I can just wait. You want me to just wait? Master switch. Okay, blinds are opening. Blinds are continuing to open.
Holy crap, it's an apartment in here.
Well, the views are going to be nice with all the windows. Kitchenette. I mean, we're not going to use it, but nice to have, lots of space. Lots of windows.
Oh my god, like it's never ending.
Ashley's trying to make sure it's all open. Here's the master bedroom. Zoom out.
I don't know how to open the rest.
Oh, there's got to be a way.
I did that one.
Did you do both of them? There's two here.
Oh, here, let's use this.
Yeah, use the tablet thing. What a great room tour. Because we're trying to figure out how to open everything. Turn on lights. Dimmers. Jeez Louise. Trying to turn. Oh, you got those ones. There you go. Well, tough to complain about the view, because it goes all the way around. All right, I feel like we should start this over again now. Let's do that. Let's start over. Now that we've done the quasi-awkward, here's how you do it. Going into the darkness of the hallway. Okay, so you walk in, storage area, obviously closet, and then whatever. Hallway in. Hello? Kitchenette. This is actually, like, I mean, that's a kitchen, to be honest with you. Dining area. I did hear that there was, yes, filtered water right here. Push that button, filtered water comes from right there. So that should limit the bottled water purchases. Safe is in here. This is in the washroom. Big ass tub. She's having a hard time with shit over there. Yeah. Not a terrible view for bathtub, shower. It's got the bench. You can just sit and let the water wash away the sins. There you go. This is the master bedroom. Pretty nice. I like it. I'm digging it. And again, we've always maintained that it really doesn't matter where you stay because you're not spending a ton of time in your room. As long as it's comfortable.
Washer dryer.
Yeah, the washer dryer thing is unique. You know, I mean, I could see this being a cool place if you had like a group of people and you were going to be staying for a prolonged period of time. I mean,
wouldn't want to be sleeping with the whole group of people.
Well, I think that turns into a bed.
Does it?
Yeah. All right, so there you go. There's the Vdara. I have to go pee in the worst way, so we're going to wrap it up here. Not sure where the next adventure takes us. Okay, so we're in the room. We're checked in. We did the mobile check-in. We didn't... What's wrong? No, 45 is just... I'm not sure if I can show it to you. Yeah, 45. We were on floor 4. Anyway, we're hitting the strip. Ashley's got to go to Sephora's. We're going to head over to Planet Hollywood. And our friend Joey has asked us to do something for him. Joey, if you remember from previous vlogs with the Vegas Legacy crew, we're going to do that tonight. So at Vdara, mentioned earlier, doesn't have a casino. And if, you know, again, maybe you're new to Vegas, maybe you're seeing this and you're like, oh, I don't... Vdara, you can connect Aria, Bellagio, and Cosmo without even going outside. So because Ash has to go to Sephora, I gotta buy some toothpaste because we only do the carry-on, so we never bring like liquids or I'm not fiddling with that shit. I just want to get through security, get it over with, so I'll go buy some overpriced toothpaste and stuff over at that mall. But this is, if you've never seen Las Vegas, maybe you're thinking about going and you're wondering about Vdara and connecting, and well, if it doesn't have a casino, where do you go to gamble? And you've got plenty of options within a few feet. So we're going Cosmo, from Cosmo, shoot across the street to Planet Hollywood. And now we're outside the Cosmo and walking the strip for the first time this trip. And I was just saying, man, it is really nice not to have to run to wherever your destination is.
In the blizzard.
In the blizzard.
Cold.
Like it's, 17 degrees Celsius? That's like almost a 40-degree temperature shift. All right, so I mentioned that our friend Joey wanted us to do something for him. He's very close to hitting whatever the next status is at Caesars properties. I don't know enough about Caesars. We said earlier, Ash and I are on a quest to maintain gold. I don't know what level he's at and what level he's aspiring to be at, but he's super close. And right now there's like a Caesars, just like over at MGM, Caesars rewards multiplier or something like that. Again, don't come at me in the comments saying, you're not saying it right. Don't give a shit. Don't care. But I'm doing my buddy a solid. So Joey sends me in the mail from Toronto, Ontario to Alberta $100 and his Caesars card with his code. So I can swipe the card, get the accelerator going or whatever it's called, the multiplier, and gamble with $100 of his. So that's what we're gonna do. And if we win, Joey, you'll never see me again.
12 seconds later.
All right, Joey, your money's loaded, your card is in. It said, we're playing this game. I guess I'll come back, and if we win anything, I'll let you know. I should have asked you, what kind of game do you want to play? I know you like the, I forget what the name of it is, but the one with the falling balls, but this is going to be it. And let's hope it gets you to that next level. Okay, Joey, we got you your bonus. We're on the 5-cent denom on this. I don't know, 15 bucks in. Let's see what happens. Ashley's here. She's providing the good luck, maybe. Turn it, yeah, winnability now. Winnability now. Okay, Joey, let's go. Let's go, Joey. Uh-oh. Ah. Okay, that's okay, Joey. A little bit more ammunition to keep playing with. You can fast play that one. There you go, 18 bucks. We're back up to 100, that's right. We'll keep spinning away, earning those tier credits. And just like that, Joey, 2 or 3 spins later, we got the free games for you. So let's see what happens. Queens. Oh boy, Joe. That's pretty smelly, Joey. Pretty smelly. That's okay. More ammunition. Free games, Joey again. Down to 78 bucks. That first one was smelly. Let's see what happens. No. Ah. Couple of them. All right. I think it is when you have to hit it. Oh. Come on, bonus. Ah. Well, it's double the last free game, but you're back up to 85. You keep playing, keep collecting those points. We went up to 250 on 10-cent denom, and we just hit the bonus. So let's see what this does. Kind of in the nick of time. You were running out of money, brother. There we go. There, that's what you want to see, buddy. Come on, give us that. Back in the game, brother. Back in the game. All right, Joey. You're out of money. We tried, buddy. But that's, I don't understand the Caesars thing. That's what it says on the, there you go.
Times 10.
So that times 10, you think?
Yeah, the tier credits times 10. So 540 points is what it should be.
Oh, well, there you go. I'm not sure if that's the way it works or not, but.
Don't forget his card.
Well, right. Yes. Card secured. You didn't win, but you may have got to your next level. So there you go. Proof we did it. Planet Hollywood did some gambling for Joey. You saw that. Went to ABC store, got the necessities that you, I mean, I guess you can if you're willing to separate the shit and put it into baggies. I don't have the patience, so got some necessities. Got a walking around beverage. The drink service at Planet Hollywood was dog shit. We were there for like, I don't know, 45 minutes.
Yeah, spent all of Joey's money.
Spent all of Joey's hard-earned money. Didn't get anything to show for it in terms of a drink or even some big wins. But now we're back to Cosmo, and we're gonna play this little game. This game, it's dangerous because it'll suck you in. We go typically 9 $9 a spin, and the goal is to fill that thing up, and it sends some coins up there all the time. You think it's gonna pop, and it never does. So don't go chasing it, folks. We'll throw a couple hundred into this one and see what happens. Now we have to start focusing on maintaining that MGM gold. We've got a lot of work to do. All right, we made the cauldron pop. So go ahead, touch the screen. Tiny. Okay, hit it again. Minor.
I'd take the minor.
The minor would be fine. It'd be a nice way to start the night. The mini, whatever. Okay, keep going. You're committed now. Don't you fuck this up. Tiny removed. All right. So we know we're walking away with at least $100. Okay. Ultra. I'd take the Ultra. 11 grand. Come on, baby. Grand would be okay too. Keep it going. Mini, you idiot.
Hey, would you stop it?
Oh boy.
Which one, babe?
I don't know. You go.
That's rude.
It's gonna be the mini. It always is. Oh. This is a good sweat. Good sweat. Minor. Oh my God, they're really making us work for it. Okay, baby, you do it. Get us that minor. Get us that minor. Ah. $100. Could be worse. Okay, so we moved over after getting the bonus over at that little devil game to this bad boy. And now we've got the spin. Let's see what happens on the spin. We get it quite a bit. I think the most we've won is like $100 though. We literally just started playing this, so I'm not expecting much. I'll take it. I'll take it. Not bad. Okay, so Walking Out a Loser, that should be our theme song. I don't even know if it's a theme song. I don't even know if it's a song. Or maybe I'll write one. Walking Out a Loser.
Don't quit your day job.
Okay. We had a little bit of luck on the $9 or $10 spins, but Ashley wanted to play hot stuff. I don't know why she's obsessed with that game. We've hit a few bonuses on it, but I don't know. I think it's lame. So we're leaving the Cosmo. That's the nice thing about Vdara, is that you could take your pick. Where's your home casino when you're staying in Aria? It could be Bellagio, it could be Cosmo. It could be Aria, which is where we're going to next. Let's take a look at the lobby. Yeah. Oh yeah. That smells good. I think that's here year round.
I know. What is it though?
It's the Christmas cock.
What?
Christmas cock.
What?
The Christmas cock is what it's called.
Christmas clock.
Yeah.
C-O-C-K.
Yeah. Well, what does it look like?
Clock?
Cock.
Weird.
I'm just kidding. I don't think that's what it's officially called, you dum-dum. Whoa. It's hard to believe that that's like all made out of sugar. It's me. I'm okay with that. That guy looks rad. Day on the slopes. Our pastry team spent 5 weeks crafting this winter Yeti scene using more than 680 pounds of edible material. Wood. 200 pounds of fondant. Nah. Handcrafted ski boots. 500 plus hand-blown sugar branches. 85 pounds of fondant. 130 pounds of royal icing. 50 pounds of crystal sugar. There you go. Delicious. Hey Joey, what do you think of Javier's? That's what we call a callback. to our last vlog. I don't know what episode it was. Or a group of us went to Javier's here in Aria for a delicious Mexican meal. And Joey was not having that shit. Anyway, Aria has been kicking the shit out of us. So we're gonna amp it up a little bit. Maybe go play some shamrocks. All right, our man Jay Osha got us hooked on this one. We played it occasionally prior, but nice work, JJ. Got us the minor. Is that what it said it was?
Just said jackpot.
Yeah, minor, because it's 300. So thanks, Jay.
Thanks, Jay.
Okay, Posh Burger to wrap the night. I know what you're thinking, dude, it's 10 o'clock. Wow. You know what? We've had a little bit of luck. Not a lot. Enough to play with some house money. We're down for the day, but it was going to be worse, so we figured, let's get out, get some Posh Burger, get a decent night's sleep, and get after it tomorrow. For those wondering, $70. Okay, back at the Vdara. See if we can give you something to look at here. There we go. What are we seeing? The Flamingo. Venetian. You can even maybe see, Strat in the distance. Encore. Anyway, kind of an early night for us to be wrapping it up, 10:37. Our time, though, it is 11:37, and the day started pretty early. Overall, pretty good first few hours. By the time you get to the hotel, get moving, not exactly a lot to write home about, but in terms of the travel day, the blizzard, that became kind of a key part of this day's vlog, was whether or not we were even going to be able to make it to Vegas, because all those flight cancellations. Luckily, the snow kind of settled off, and we had no problems. Bumpy ride coming in. It was definitely more turbulence than we're used to, but we got here A-okay. Tomorrow, big day. Bottomless mimosas at Tom's Watch Bar. Looking forward to starting the day there and seeing what they offer in terms of the bottomless mimos. And, of course, gallivanting all over the strip at MGM Properties as we try to get to gold. Here's where we sit after day one. Throw it up on the screen. So obviously still a lot of work to be done. That's one of the reasons why we're kind of thinking, you know what, we're kind of dragging ass. We might as well just go to bed. We're not going to get to 5,000 tier credits today to hit that kind of accelerator. So let's make a point of hitting it tomorrow, and see what we can do, putting in a full day's work. Again, the theme of this trip is a business trip, so we're going to get to work tomorrow in earnest and see what we can do in terms of clocking in some damage to maintain gold status until tomorrow, or in this case, your case, next week. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Another episode coming soon.
90-minute max, babe.
90-minute max, perfect. What are you doing?
$30.
It's not bad. So I walked away from the table. What happened? She brought extra?
Yeah.
You said it. She's gonna regret only filling that halfway.